Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about Vita Flex Pro. Vita Flex Pro is a supplement which is used for joint support, joint formula with hyaluronic acid. Okay, so this is a product which is used by, you can select, lots of people for, you can select, for their horse and all. So if you have any kind of, you can select, problem, like if you have any horse and they are facing problems related to, you can say, like joint problems, arthritis problem, and if you are training, if you are providing your trainings to your, you can say, like horses, so this is a very good supplement for your horse. And if we talk about like this brand is approx like you can say 25 plus year, and they have like a website. Their website is very popular and they have a good reputation in the market with these kind of supplement they are selling right now. And they have like two types of level 1, level 2 and level 3, and there are also, you can say, like lots of, you can say, like product available with the name of Equinyl. So I want to tell you, like, yes, you can try it if you are facing any issue. You can say, if you can select horse, if you are, you can select horse facing any kind of issue related to joint problem and all, then you can try it. There is no problem. This is a very legit brand. This is a good product. Okay, so if we talk about how to use this product, so you can see like the main ingredient of this, you can say, like product is like MSM. So MSM is a very important, you can say, like supplement which is used for providing good healthy bones and support immune system. So this is a very good you can say, like nutrition information they have provided. This is a very good and amazing nutrition information. Okay, so if we talk about how to use the usage of this product is like very easy. In the starting first or 2 weeks you can use 2 scoops per day, and after that you can use only 1 scoop. Okay, or you can use, you can select doses according to your veterinarian. Okay, veterinarian. Okay, so this is the information. Okay, so if you have any questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video, my dear friends, and bye bye.